Hello everyone, Sam is from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video at the end of the week, showing you the trades that we took using this Magic ID system. So let's get started. This is a 20-minute chart is Aussie yen, and you can see here this was an entry, and here this is a small video. This is actually a weekly chart of Aussie yen. I just wanted to show that how these weekly charts, with my analysis of my weekly charts with all the highs and lows and this and that showing works. And these are the two numbers. You see these two lows? These are the one. You see 82.05, make an entry here, and 82.81 right there. My entry is there. After it is a late entry, by the way. Entry should be here somewhere 20 pips before. But still 50 pip easy, no big deal. Any Asian session, by the way, it's just slow. So this is how easy it is that if you pay attention to these highs and lows and the harmonic patterns and the wave count, will support resistance, and then you take these entries from these levels. No big deal, right? All right. Now the next one is what happened? Okay, here EUR-USD 7-minute on the 9th. Again, one of those levels, and this very nice setup on the wave, and look, these are the entries. When the indicator is all the way down, and all of these were profitable entries. This one, and this one went all the way. These are the the low volume time, and when the volume comes, and you have an entry, and after that it bounces. This is the volume. London, Frankfurt, London Open. Then that happens. This is what is this one? Oh, okay. So this one is a buy order for, again, right here in the middle, actually. It was going from here. I had a trade from here before, right? So here we all the way went to this high here, so I closed that. But then, with the continuation, again, make an entry from the smaller 7-minute chart and continue with that. So, this is buy order, this is SL, and gone with the wind, right? And this is the USD-CAD, by the way. This is a wonderful, chart that I had, a weekly chart, that we're going to drop hundreds of pips, and then, this is start dropping, and I'm just keep, taking these entries, short entries, most of them, to the downside. Wonderful chart and trades. This one, EUR-USD, again on the 10th. This was a big move that you just saw. Then, consolidation a little bit, and then again, poof. Setup gone. All right. So and then this is a Euro-CAD and Pound CAD. Both had a very nice short setup, weekly charts I have, and I told my subscriber to just go short, and I'm taking shorts as well. This is on the 10th, and the 10th again, Pound Yen. Pound yen is on the move to the upside, and there was one entry here, the other entry there, and it's just keep going. These are two entries actually. This one right there, and then again I had a setup, and since pound was keep getting strong, yen was getting weaker, so I made another entry, and then that one also went to the upside. This is on the 10 pound USD. Okay, pound again, pound, because of pound, all pound pairs were going up. And this is how that happened. And then on 11th and 12th, I was first of all busy doing something else, and then secondly, I had a couple of SL hit and couple of small, very small, trades, because my entry went there a little bit positive, and then when I moved the SL, right, so it comes back and 15 pip, 20 pip profit. It hits my SL, so I don't even make those charts. Then it was like very, very ranging, and whatever the move happened, for example, like GJ again went up, and I missed that trade. No big, on the 12th, I guess. But I caught the reversal today. I'll show you there. What? Yeah, I already showed these things, right? Okay, this is today. No, hold on. This is okay. Yeah, this is the USD, the pound USD on the 10th. So now on the 13th. Okay. So this is today a pound newsy. Look, this was my entry, but very nice 2 other entries, but I didn't take it because I was in the trade all the way up to the upside, more than 100 pips. That's today. Okay, entry on the 13th. And this is I was talking about that, that on the 12th, the big up move on GJ, I missed completely. Wasn't available actually. So, but then I knew that it's where it's going, and then from where on the Friday is going to make a turn. So it is start making the turn. This was my entry. Here's a sell order with the SL, right? And then after that, look at how many other entries all the way down, more than 75 to this. And another, the couple of trades that I had from last week, and I just let them go. And basically, those a couple of trades covered me on the 11th and the 12th when I didn't have any trade. So this one, the last week entry, and I just let it go because euro was strong and yen started getting weaker. So I said, you know what, just leave them on the side, no big deal. Stay, here at the break even. I kind of forgot about it, and then finally today I closed it. So I got one here for 100 pip. This is euro yen, and based on yen weakness, there was another one which I did is New Zealand. It was also very nice after the drop, the fifth wave ending. It's like wave 1, 2, and after that was going up. And this is, by the way, 40-minute chart. So my entry was from 7-minute chart, but it's not showing here. It is just showing this 40-minute chart. There's the setup. 40-minute and 29-minute. I'm using now 29-minute, more clear Elliott wave on that. These little wobbles and then these, waves are more clear on 29 minutes. So I can count the waves very clearly. Other than that, even on the 29-minute, this is very nice wave 1. So like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then A, B. You cannot see A, but on the 29-minute chart you can see, and the 20-minute especially. So there was a 61.8% retracement, and after that start all the way for the third wave, and this is the extension of 127 is there. I closed the trade today. Okay, so this is so this one and euro yen from the last week, they covered me mostly for the 11th and the 12th. So basically I didn't lose anything. In fact, these two, that's 75 pip, 100 pip, and then this is 200 pip trade all the way to the upside. Most likely pound yen and these yen pairs will continue to the upside into the next week, but you never know. Be very careful because USA just had a strike on Syria, and tonight, and I don't know what is going to happen over the weekend and how the market will react when the market opens up on Sunday. So be very careful. And in the meantime, maybe there are other countries get involved in this. I don't know, So let's just monitor the situation, and then it will have an effect, some kind of effect on our Forex market, currency market. Trust me, we will have. So need to be very careful. Okay, I'm out of all the trades. I closed down. Luckily, in the evening I had some feeling, I don't know, but I just closed all the trades. And now I'm free and clear, so I don't have to worry about the big slippage or anything over the weekend. So good luck with that if you have any open trades. And this is how, like I said, that we are trading here hundreds of pips every week. I have this WhatsApp group where my subscribers are sitting and talking to each other and helping each other, and I drop by over there once in a while and then give the setups and the charts and the showing everything, and very good, and they are all making a lot of pippage. Okay, WhatsApp group named My Forex Magic Wave, and you have to ask me to join. So I'm the only one who can add the participant. So all the subscribers are there mostly, right? So they're doing fine, and if you want to join, you can join. Over the weekend, get the system, subscribe, get the system, set up charts, and join the group and start talking to people, and they will help you. They will help you a lot, and I'll help you there as well. Okay, so this is how it is. Thanks for watching, and have a very good and wonderful, safe weekend, and enjoy your weekend. And I'll talk to you guys there. Thank you, and have a great day.